Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. I'm here to show you this 2015 GMC Yukon Denali, so let's take a peek. So you do have fog lights and front park sensors on this one, as well as a 6.2 liter engine with an 8-speed transmission. 22-inch rims on this one, keyless entry on either side, and of course some nice power running boards. We'll go all the way back here. You do have rear park sensors as well, and you can open up the back right off of the key there. So inside the vehicle, it is fully loaded. You have heated and cooled seats right there, as well as a nice touch screen that has nav on it, and a hidden compartment right there. Lots of storage all throughout, and a wireless charger right there. But we're gonna go in the back seat and finish up. Then in the second row, these are gonna be heated. You do have a DVD player right there. And I forgot to mention it has a sunroof, but it's a Denali, so kind of figured it would anyways. Rear climate control, and then you also have third row seating back there. But if you want to make this vehicle yours, give us a call 780-942-3629, or if you need more pictures, pricing, all that good stuff, click the link below.